All right, this baby, 2017 Honda HRV. I'll show you how to replace a battery. All right, um, there's two ways to do it: without the car running and with the car running. The difference is that when the car runs, you can replace the battery and do it real quick. If you do it with the car not running, when you replace the battery, when you disconnect the battery, the radio is going to ask you for the code. All right, if it's still with the same setup like the old cars. That code you'll find it in the manual. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with the car running. So come with me. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. I need to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. But if you have something to say, put it in the comment box. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, come through right here at the bottom. That's how you open the hood, just like that. Pop. Alright. Did I say this car has 45,000 miles? Yeah, I did, right? Now here, the lever for the latch. You need the stand. Here's the battery over here. Okay, we're gonna replace this guy. This one's pretty easy. Okay, um, this is the positive, power, ground, negative. Okay, this is the holder, and we're gonna do all that. Let's remove this holder. You have to pop it up though. Okay, let the car run. There you go. Okay, now 10 millimeter for this, for this, for this, for this. Deep socket for this ones. Let's get it. Now this bracket attached at the bottom of the right under the battery, there's like two holes. This thing hooking there like that. Okay. Now 10, 10. Get your battery ready then. Um, yeah, pretty much. And you know what? It would be better if you get a clamp for batteries like this. Or you can do it by hand. But be careful with the lower back though, alright? Anyways, you get everything ready. You need your ratchet. This one, this two. Okay. You want to top it here because the mold, fungus, whatever you want to call it, it attached the clamp, seal it together. So we're just gonna top it and you know unseal it, separate this thing, just like that. Now wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. If you can wiggle it, pause. Try to pry from the bottom. This is the main reason why I'm replacing this battery because it has a lot of mold. Look at this. All right. I know this one's gonna come off right away. Look at this. Look at that. This one too. Right away. You gotta be kind of fast here now. The car is running on a alternator juice pulse. Do you know that? You know, this one, you can brush it. Spray some of the, you know what? Hot water is good. Uh, but me, I'm gonna do some WD-40. I proceed to put the new battery, like so. Turn this, turn that. So I'll tell you the date right there. It says September 24 is the day the battery was created, built, whatever you want to say. Anyway, next. Negative. This is the ground. And that's it. Now you can pour some vinegar or Pepsi or Coke. Not that Coke, the other Coke. You see what it did right there? Mhm. Um, and it's gonna eat away the mold. Okay. Uh, Pretty much. There's some special lubricants for to protect the terminals. You can get it from your favorite auto parts store. Okay. Let me clean a little bit more. Believe it or not, WD-40 works too. All right. Everything Gucci over here. Gucci. Now we're gonna put the bracket back, and that's pretty much it. All right. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. There, right there. Now you can tighten it. Oh, what type of battery this is? You'll see it right here. This is Interstate batteries. This video is not being sponsored by Interstate batteries. Okay. Just so you know, this is MT51R. Now they make 51 MT51 regular, which means the positive is on this side. So be careful though. Don't cross the connectors because you might blow the fuse and then you're gonna have to. Your car is not gonna start even after you cross the connection. The car is not gonna start, and it's not gonna start if you got it right afterwards. Okay, because you blow the fuse. You blew the fuse up. Okay, so get it right. Uh, this one is MT51R CCA 500. CCA 500. Okay, was built on September this year, 2024, and you have 2 years. You have 24 months to, if it dies before, you know, during the warranty time, then you can replace it, get a new one for free. Right? That's pretty much it. That's how you replace the battery in this baby. Right? Any questions? If you know what to do, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car, this battery, if it lasts more than 2 years or whatever. Um, and yeah, not necessarily what to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. Okay, but I can tell you if you want to show some love, right below the video there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it and it's gonna ask you for the tip. You know, be the good guy, do your thing. You know what I'm saying? I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, pulse, and that's how we do things. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy, it's me, Stu Purun. Yeah.